Welcome to Linker Tutorials. Today we will face with inbound process. The inbound flow begins when items arrive in the warehouse, either received from an external supplier or directly from another location of the merchant. Starting from the receiving dock, warehouse activities are performed at different complexity levels to bring items into the storage area. Most often verification of logistic units happens at the dock level. Further steps will cover product and quantity verification when necessary. Our goal is to give full transparency to this process for our customers and merchants. To register a new delivery notification, user needs to be logged into Linker. On the left toolbar, choose Delivery Notifications. And next, New Delivery Notification. This action usually is performed by merchant who is responsible for ordering goods from a supplier. Creating new delivery notification form has 4 steps. Step 1. Choose project or client ID. If the user is assigned to more than one project, there is a need to choose the proper client ID from the list at the beginning. If the user is assigned to one project only, this step is automatically skipped. Step 2. Define a supplier. If you create a delivery notification for a specific supplier for the first time, you must complete all the details. A new record will be created in our database. When everything is completed, click the next button to move to the next step. Let's back to step 2 and choose the supplier from the list. The application moves us forward automatically. Step 3. Product specification. In the third step, the user must provide information about ordered products, which will be delivered to the warehouse. You can do it manually, or by import. Let's start with the manual process. Basic information is product. Click the Add New Item button to unfold input fields. The first field in the product name column has a search engine to help you find the proper product. Enter at least 3 characters to get a hint list. The search engine looks for your string and tries to match the result by product name, SKU, or ERN code. Choose the proper item and describe the ordered quantity. Repeat the operation for all products in the delivery. If you fill out the form with new product data, it will be added to your product database. It doesn't matter if you do it in a manual or import process. To import products to delivery notification, you must fill in an Excel file, XLSX format, based on the Linker template. To get a template, click the button, Download Template. It runs an automatic downloading process. Open the file from the download path and prepare to import. When your file is ready, save it to the local drive and click the button Add File. Then choose the proper file from your device, and that's it. Import file has more product data than form in the web app. If you have expiration dates, batch numbers, box numbers, etc., it is the only way to send extended data to WMS. When all products are added, click on the next button to move to the last step. Step 4. Additional data. You can specify some additional information. Delivery notification date. Date and hour of arrival. Allow fulfillment operators to book a dock. Logistics unit quantity. Parcels, pallets, containers. Return. Check if the delivery relates to the return. Order number. Client order number. Here you can enter other identifications from external systems. Comments. At the end, click the Save button and you will receive Delivery Notification Details view. As a summary, created delivery notification received status new. If you are using more than one fulfillment site, you have to assign your order to the proper one. Choose an action and assign fulfillment site. Click on the drop-down list and choose the correct fulfillment site code. The fulfillment site has been assigned correctly. You can see the result here. Linker gives us the ability to print labels to mark and identify logistics units from delivery notification. Now we will export it to WMS. To check WMS status, click on the refresh button here. We have connected with WMS and received status awaiting. It means that export is done and the warehouse waiting for delivery. Let's go to the delivery notification list for the moment. Here you can see all of your notifications. If your delivery has been exported successfully, the status of the notification changes for M, ready for processing. Imagine that we are received your delivery. Unloading and putting away your goods to the storage area. When the delivery is accepted, the notification changes its status to Y, closed. A red line indicates a discrepancy in the delivery. Let's check them. Here we have the consistent mark and option to accept or reject the results. At the item list, we can compare ordered and delivered quantities of goods. The first product has 2 pieces missing. The second product contains a surplus of 2 pieces. For the third product, the warehouse showed damaged 2 pieces. After explaining the discrepancies, we proceed to acceptance. Press the accept button. In the text field, you type your comment and confirm. If the shipment was accepted by you, the consistency indicator is changed and your notification is not highlighted in red in the list. That's all for today. Thank you.